Welcome to Microsoft Office Specialist Excel. In this video, we'll learn how to reference a cell on a different worksheet. To reference a cell on a different worksheet in the same workbook, we may use this syntax. If the worksheet we want to reference is My Worksheet, and the cell reference is A1, here we may type equal My Worksheet exclamation mark A1 and hit enter. Here we can see the content of the cell. Or we may input the equal sign. Click the worksheet. Click the cell reference and hit enter. Here we got the same content and cell reference. Thanks for watching.